Assalamu alaikum. I hope you guys are okay. Welcome to another vlog. So guys, अभी भी मेरा गला काफ़ी ख़राब है. कल yesterday I was sick and there was pain in my back. I was on my shifts throughout the week without any rest. So that's why. Anyways, today we are going to Leighton High Road Tesco Superstore. Let's go. Tomorrow is the first Rosa of the holy month of Ramadan. Anyways, we are waiting for a bus and then we will be going to post office to get my BRP from the post office because I think they have delivered it to the post office because they don't deliver at home because it's a ID, that's why. So guys, bus will be in 2 minutes, but yesterday I was not working. My shift was for Epping, but I didn't went to my shift because I was really tired and like my joints were hurting because of the regular shift without any break. So that's why. So yesterday was the rest day. Today I'm working. Today will be the first Tarawih, but I will be at work. Let's see how it goes, but tomorrow is the first Rosa and I'm hoping inshallah it will go better, but I don't know how it will go. I don't know. So anyways, let's go to a post office to get my BRP and from there Leighton High Road Tesco Superstore. Today I'm finishing earlier, so it's good for me. So guys, right now I have reached post office. Let's go inside. So guys, the back counter was closed. Let's go to the front counter. Let's see. So guys, my BRP letter is not here yet. It's been 2 months and like I don't know what Royal Mail is doing, but my letter is not here yet. So I would come back tomorrow to check if my letter arrived because the BRP is very important for me right now. Because if somebody like stops me, I have to show him my BRP first rather than my passport or my provisional license. I have to show my BRP to them. Anyways, let's see. Now we're gonna take bus number 20 to Walthamstow Central, and yeah, you guys know the drill. Let's go. So guys, right now my bus is here. It's over there somewhere. So yeah, I'm going a little bit earlier. It's like 50 minutes. I'm left with 50 minutes because my shift starts at like 11 o'clock and it's only 10 o'clock. So I'm gonna take some rest, have a cup of tea and sit back and relax. ये बस वाला आगे लेके इतना आगे लेके जाते हैं ये. Okay, this is my 21 Oyster. Oh sorry, I have my travel card on my Oyster. Let's go to my back seat.
Walthamstow Central.
So guys, right now I'm in the store. I'm not gonna wear any security jacket because sometimes my joints are hurting me, so I want to wear the security jacket. Anyways, let's go and make a cup of tea. I'll show you guys how I make the cup of tea, like the desi Pakistani tea, where there's no stove available. I'm gonna show you guys how I make it. This is the cafeteria. What you do, you take a cup, okay? You take 2 shots of the tea, put it in there Then you take sugar. A little bit sugar is enough because I use the sweetener, non-calorie sweetener. It's up here somewhere. Should be here somewhere. Anyways, sorry. And I don't see a spoon over here.
Yeah.
Oh.
What?
When you put the milk, don't put it on the top too full, yeah? You put it inside the oven for 1 minute. So guys, you put it for 1 minute and wait and wait until the milk starting to boil. And don't want to spill it out, so I'm gonna stop the vlog. I'm gonna see you after. So after 1.5 minutes, when you get this out, you will see it like this. So you stir it and then you put it in the microwave for another. I only have this, so we have to do our work like this. So we put it in the microwave for another 30 seconds, so it will give the color and everything, you know. So guys, I got this bill out, so I'm gonna clean it, because in here you have to clean it before you left the microwave. So this is the tea that's been ready. I'm gonna stir it and I'm gonna take the tea bags out like this, and I'm gonna throw them here. And this is the sweetener I was talking about. This one. It's non-calories, but gives the genie wali. Usually I take 2 to 3, and you don't need to stir, but I do stir. And then what you do is like this, and that's it. You have your tea ready for you at the work without any stove. Yes, this is our desi banda from
Mauritius.
Sorry?
Mauritius.
Mauritius.
Yes.
So you know Urdu at all?
Speak Urdu, dance Urdu, talk Urdu, bark Urdu, sing Urdu.
See, everybody knows Urdu because they live with the desi people. So
Desi,
of course,
Desi style.
of course
Apunta style.
they
style.
will understand and speak Urdu at home. So guys, what I usually do, I have a cup of tea and I play soccer with it. So I can't shoot, but the tea is really good. I put a sweetener little bit too much. Like usually you should take 2 tablets of the sweetener, because I also put sugar in it. Anyways, it's not the calorie that I'm taking, it's non-calorie, so it's good. So the chai is really good. Look at the color, bro. Desi chai. Just start. So yeah guys, right now I'm going on the shift because my colleague wants to go on break at 11, so I start at 11 o'clock. Usually I don't start on time, but today he wants to go break. I have to take care of my colleague also. So yeah, that's why. So let's go, and just had a cup of tea. And you know, he is a shoplifter, bro. I know him. So guys, right now I'm going for the prayer because it's almost 12:30 and it's the whole time. So I will be going. I'm going for prayer, and then I'm gonna come back and do my duty. But prayer is must. नमाज पढ़ोगे तो कुछ मिलेगा ना, ऐनी तो नहीं ना लभदा सारा कुछ है. Let's go. Everybody's chilling. First I'm gonna drink some water. Water? I would like to drink some water. But for tomorrow, after 10 hours, bro, because you know, in the first week of Ramadan, the iftari will be at almost. Oh, it's leaking. Anyways, in the first week of Ramadan, the iftari will be at 6:30 to 6:40. After on the second week, it will go straight to 7:30, and when the Ramadan will end, I think we will be going until 8:30 because the time is going to be changing. That's why I hate these types of bottles. Anyway, let's go. I had my wuzu from home. This is the interview room. We come inside, and I checked on the thing on my app. I use Muslim Pro for the azan timing and for also Qibla direction. Sometimes I need that, but it's like, you know, the Qibla is in this direction, in the corner direction. Oh, sorry, in the corner direction. So let's see. Ya Allah maaf kariye, koi galti ta hogi ho. But I'm not. I have checked it on my Muslim Pro app, so I hope it's right. I hope so. It's right. I'm doing it in the right direction, so I open the window up so I can get some fresh air. Anyways, I'll meet you after my prayer. Alhamdulillah, guys, namaz done, shukr, alhamdulillah. The sukoon, oh wait, okay, the sukoon what you get after namaz, it's incredible. I can't explain, bro, but it's incredible, the sukoon you get after namaz. Oh my god. Shukr, alhamdulillah, shukr, alhamdulillah, shukr, alhamdulillah. Anyways, let's go downstairs because the other guy is really tired, because I know how it feels like to do the morning shift. So let's go downstairs, and then I'm gonna have my break at 3 o'clock. After that, I'm gonna have my break at maybe 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock, I don't know. So yeah, I'll see you in my break. So guys, right now I'm outside on my break. So apparently I didn't vlog at all throughout the day because I was a little busy, because I was all alone throughout the day. And secondly, there was too many shoplifters today. Anyways, it's not the day today, but there were too many shoplifters today. So this is the guy from Pakistan also. So he's working with me today from 3 o'clock, but from the morning I was only one. The morning guy went at 1 o'clock, so from 1 to 3 I was only one, and he's new, he didn't know anything about this store, and he's new to the company also, so I have to like tell him and I have to take charge, so you know how it is. Anyways, so I didn't walk throughout the day. Right now it was raining, now it stopped. The cold wind is blowing, bro. It feels so much cold, and it's in Pakistan, of course. उन्होंने 11 बजे रात को चांद निकाल दिया. अब हम तो नहीं कुछ कर सकते. रमज़ान मुबारक पाकिस्तान वालों को. फर्स्ट सहरी मुबारक to you guys, and our सहरी will be at, you know, what time is the सहरी today, bro? 4:19. 4:19 is the Sari time. So bro वो जाएगा, वो पक्का वो जाएगा, वो उधर चोरी करेगा, वो इधर ही है अभी, लेकिन वो इधर ही है फूड वाले सेक्शन में, लेकिन वो जाएगा सही बात है। नहीं 11 नहीं 26, हाँ 26 को इस तरफ फेरोगे ना अपनी तरफ। Anyways, so it's cold, wind is blowing. He's up to 11 o'clock. I'm here until 12 o'clock. I have to close this door. I had 3 fights today, 3 fight, and it was too disgusting, bro. Because they tried to push me, and you know that I really get very angry very instantly when somebody push me or gives me like गाली देते हैं तो फिर मुझे गुस्सा आता है। So anyways, it's 10 o'clock and I'm really tired today because 3 fights and it really went very bad. I tried to put some screenshots on my thumbnail so you guys can know. Anyways, let's see how it goes in the next 2 hours. So guys, alhamdulillah, I have done my shift, but it was a terrible shift. It is because there were very lot of shoplifters in the store, and last 2 hours were so messed up. I can't even tell you. I don't have any words to explain the last 2 hours, and I'm really super tired right now. Anyways, let's go home. We'll go home, and then I'm gonna edit this vlog and I'm gonna post it now, and then I'm gonna do the sari, and after that I will be going to sleep, bro. Really tired. So guys, can you see this man? This is one of the shoplifters from previous week, think so. Yeah, I know his face. So this is Baker's Arm, Libri Road. Super quiet at this time, but in the day it's super busy. So guys, right now I'm going towards the bus stop because my bus will be in 5 minutes. I left my store late because it's so cold outside, so that's why. And that's all for today. Couldn't do the proper vlog. I couldn't do the proper vlog today, but that's all for today. And yeah, it's so cold and cold wind. बड़ी तेज हवा चल रही है यार. So yeah, that's all for today. If you like my vlog, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to like this. Don't forget to like this video. I'll meet you tomorrow with another video, with another vlog. Till then, peace, bro.